Braelyn, press the pedal. Not like how to do it. What is it? That's a hydraulic vacuum cleaner. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, turn it on. Turn it back on. Turn the vacuum on. Uh-oh, it part fell over. Braelyn. Okay. Got it? Got it, Braelyn? Okay. Press the pedal. Braelyn, press the pedal. Braelyn, press the pedal. Vacuum. Check the vacuum. Braelyn, turn it on. Just press it like this.
Alright, yo, Jack.
We're going to vacuum. Oh, plug it in.
Maybe we should just have a vacuum party.
There it is.
There you go.
Braelyn, what was that? Braelyn, let's get the black handle instead. Sorry, Braelyn, let's get a vacuum handle instead.